Thank you for your purchase on Funride toys, Panther 2-in-1. The Panther 2-in-1 is all set to take you out now. Let's begin assembling it with the main body. First, fix the rear mudguard to the main body. All screws must be locked in place very well. Next, the seat needs to be fixed in position as shown. Fix it in place with the help of the given screws. Let us now put together the front part of the Panther DX. Place the complete front wheel and the handle together. Fix the handle properly with the help of the flower nut lock button. Now insert 2 batteries in the handle for it to run smoothly. Now place the rear wheels to the main body with the help of the axle pin. And then place the rear wheel caps on both the rear wheels. Place the footrest to the main body with the help of the nuts and screws. Similarly, fix the handrest frame to the main body with the help of the screws. Insert the flute pipe to the main body. The flute pipe should be fixed with the nut and the screw. And next, fix the movement rod to the front fork with the help of a nut. The bottle holder goes at the back of the main body, tightened with the help of screws. Now place the parental handle pipe to the flute pipe with the flower nut. And lastly, fix the parental handle to the parental handle pipe. The Panther DX is all yours now. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.